Sorry. I'm really happy because I went fucking London. The streets are so beautiful and it's cold. And okay, from the start, okay. 2 years ago, I decided I wanted to come to Ireland, and it was always uncertain. There was a sense of uncertainty. Oh my god, what if I don't get in? Like, I might not get in. And it was difficult studying for IELTS, my visa interview. It was so difficult. I did not give up. I just kept going. I was like, fuck it, whatever happens, happens. I'm not giving up on my dreams. Whatever happens, I will embrace it. But I will still work towards my dreams. And look at how pretty the streets are. So, I live in the city center, which is usually like really crowded and full of people. But for my interview, I came to kind of like the suburbs. This is the European dream and the European life. I have gotten a bit chubbier since I've come here. Not complaining, but it's too pretty. It makes the money worthwhile. I was going to walk to my I was going to take a bus to my interview, but I decided, you know what, it's autumn, I'm gonna walk. It's cool and it's so pretty. Look at the look at the leaves. Look at the autumn leaves. Are you kidding me? It's so pretty. And last month, like the last 2 weeks were terrible because I couldn't find a part-time job, and other people who had started finding it from the beginning of September, they found one eventually. I did not apply at that time, so I couldn't find one, and for 2 weeks I was really depressed. But now I have 2 offers in my hands. So I was giving up hope. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna find a part-time job, I'll have to take out more loan, and I give up. But I still kept applying, right? And then eventually I got one. I wanted one at the start of October and I'll get it in the start of November. But I still got one. Look at how pretty the trees are. I always wanted to experience autumn. Okay? So I'm allowed to be happy and overreact. And the people here are really sweet too. Give me 1 second. So, yeah, you need to give things time and eventually they will work out. That's the power of having a dream. You don't have to pour your entire will to live in it, that I will die if this doesn't happen. But you're allowed to give your heart and soul to it. You are allowed to, because even if it doesn't work out, you have given your heart and soul to it. And I don't know, I see other people walking and I get conscious, that's why I'm pausing the thing. But it might just be another random Thursday for them, but it's a European autumn cool Thursday for me. So I'm extremely happy and keep dreaming, it will come true. I'm telling you, it won't happen the way you wanted it to happen, but it has a way of coming back to you, manifested. Before booking my accommodation, I saw that my accommodation was next to the Dublin Zoo, like the big Phoenix Park in the zoo. Like, you know what, I'm gonna get a job at the Dublin Zoo. Wouldn't it be great? Like, so I'll buy the accommodation even though the price is really expensive, and I'll work in the zoo. I didn't get the part-time job anywhere else, and I saw the opportunity to work there, and I got selected there. When I came here, everyone was like, my SIM card was not working and I was really lost and confused. So I went to the Centra store next to my accommodation because I couldn't find the keys to my house. Imagine just coming out of the airport and having like no keys to your place, and you have like so much luggage and like you're really confused because you're in a new country. And I went into the Centra store and the sales associate, they helped me out, and I was like, oh my god, wow, wouldn't it be cool to work in Centra? I got a part-time offer in Centra. Did it take me 2 months? And when I almost gave up, did it happen at that time? Yes. Did it test my patience? Yes. Did all of the things that I manifested become true? No. But it did work out. Will I suffer more hardship in the future? Probably a big yes. But will the walks like these, walks of success, make it worth it? Yeah. This is too pretty. This is too beautiful. The houses here are so pretty. I live in the city center. It's like Mumbai. I mean, I belong there. This would have been too lonely for me otherwise. But wow, walking over here, this is something you don't see in India. This is what I came to explore here. And so I'm really happy, and that's what I gave up my fear of jinxing this to shoot this video, because this video is worth it. After a few years I'll see this video and I'll be like, wow, I did end up receiving the things that I worked so hard for. And at the end of the day, I do believe that your hard work is worth it. It will come back to you in one way or another. All the love that you've poured, all the time and attention you've given to a particular thing, it will come back and help you. Because that's what karma is all about. So have the power of dreaming. Have the luxury of dreaming. I don't care where you are, where you think you belong, how unqualified, how dumb, how ugly you think you are. You will probably make it if you dream about it and if you genuinely like it. Genuinely liking it is not a pressure. You don't have to walk towards genuinely liking things. You will automatically have the willpower and wish to work towards them. And when you do, congratulations. You have just earned yourself the luxury and power of dreaming. So good luck. Good luck to you. Good luck to future me.